Hey everyone, this is Michael. So I want to show you a really cool feature exclusively to T-Rex, and this is called the opt-in builder, right? So the main function here is to get people to opt in to maybe win a product or a prize or to be entered in a contest. And so I'm going to come down here in this particular one. This is asking for a grandma nickname. So let's just say the grandma nickname. She comes here, she enters in her nickname, and then she enters in her email address, and she's going to hit submit. It's really cool. She has a chance to win a free mug, and as it's confirming her entry, it goes to another thank you page just to let them know that the entry is getting confirmed. And then we have the ability to redirect to another URL here, and on this one it actually brings them to the same exact design. And then wow, you have your personalization of what she entered in. She entered in her nickname of Mimi on the Bible covers, different colored Bible covers here. You have it on the t-shirts. You have it on the ladies tank. You have it on the mugs. And then you can also offer them maybe a coupon here. So this is going to help drive sales. This is a proven tactic in helping get sales and helping to get leads for your email list. And you can actually do two forms of personalization. So let's just say you had maybe a name and some sort of date integrated into your design. You can go ahead and have that also entered on the opt-in form, and where they would redirect over here and have even another form of personalization. But let's just check out one more. So let's just say this is just a regular campaign, and you're targeting dog lovers, and let's just say the name of your dog is Nala. Hit the preview button. You're able to come in here, and the cool thing about this is they get a live preview of their dog's name on all the products. So you got the shirt, you got the sweatshirt, you got the pillowcase, you got the necklace, all right there ready to go, and you got a tote bag. So we have tons of products. The ability to see live personalization previews is what's really awesome and exclusive to T-Rex. So just wanted to show you guys that. Have a good day.